This is a very simple example to obtain with few lines of code the element's fluxes, in material axis or in element axis. For different load cases contained in several 𝘂𝑝𝑎𝑐2 files, and using a graphical user interface. Run the application and display the user interface. Select the model. Select Mesh BDF or Mesh and results op2. Clicking on the button in the 𝘂𝗏 part, the import model function is activated, which is the one that brings the window to choose the file, and save the file path for later use in the import data function. Select the results 𝘂𝑝𝑎𝑐2. Clicking on the button in the 𝘂𝗏 part, the import results function is activated, which is the one that brings the window to choose the list of files, and save all the paths of the files in the list for later use in the import data function. Perform a parallel reading. This option is very interesting when the model is very large. The import data function is responsible for saving all model information and results. Load the mesh. Extract the results. Extract the results with the desired element's fluxes. Request in element axes or material axes the list of extracted load cases. They can be the ones that were in the 𝘂𝑝𝑎𝑐2 or new ones that are created as a linear combination of the original ones, or of envelope type. This is very useful when loading separately thermal and mechanical load cases. Specify the load case in the frame. Specify the ID list. Indicate which load cases will appear in the CSV file. Check the material axes option. And, finally, extract the CSV file. Here is shown the .csv file with the results of the element's fluxes, in material axis for the different load cases indicated.